Are you ready to dive into the next enthralling chapters of the Acts of the Apostles from the Bible? Let's explore Acts chapters 5 to 8, where we encounter drama, miracles, and pivotal moments that shape the early church. Chapter 5 kicks off with a sobering tale of Ananias and Sapphira, who deceitfully kept back money from the apostles, leading to their sudden deaths. This event underscores the importance of honesty and reverence for God's work. Key verse, Acts 5:11 says, "Great fear seized the whole church," highlighting the serious nature of integrity in faith. As the chapter progresses, the apostles perform miraculous healings, and their devotion stirs tension with religious authorities. But rather than quelling their zeal, these challenges amplify their resolve. Peter and the apostles boldly proclaim, "We must obey God rather than human beings," in Acts 5:29, a call to courageous faith. Chapter 6 introduces us to the first deacons, chosen to ensure fair distribution of resources. Stephen, full of faith and the Holy Spirit, emerges as a standout figure. Opposition arises, and Stephen is falsely accused of blasphemy. Yet steadfast, he shares an impassioned speech in chapter 7, recounting Israel's history and challenging listeners on their resistance to God's messengers. His words lead to a tragic twist. He becomes the first Christian martyr. His final words, "Lord, do not hold this sin against them," mirror Jesus' mercy. We then meet Saul, a key figure watching in approval. Chapter 8 sees the church scattered due to persecution, but this unintended spread becomes a catalyst for sharing the gospel far and wide. Philip enters the scene, bringing the message to Samaria and even converts an Ethiopian official, indicating that God's love knows no boundaries. Through these captivating narratives, overarching themes of steadfast faith, divine providence, and the universality of the Christian message emerge. Acts 5 to 8 present a riveting tapestry of faith, tested and triumphant, drawing us into the pivotal transformation of the early church.